Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see how to send or share your location on WhatsApp. Firstly, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Go to Chats and select the contact or group you want to share your live location with. Just tap the paperclip icon at the bottom of the message field, then select Location. Choose one of the following. Send your current location, which is a one-time dropped pin, or share your live location, which is real-time tracking for 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 8 hours, like you choose. Just note, for live location sharing, you will need to enable location permissions for WhatsApp in your phone settings. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.